2016 CX-3. The CX-3 is a fun and feisty roundabout with outstanding performance, style, and sophistication that outstrips the competition. The CX-3 subcompact crossover delivers unmatched driving dynamics right alongside outstanding fuel economy. It's the driving experience totally redefined. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, passenger airbag, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, tachometer, daytime running lights, speed proportional power steering, heated passenger seat, heads-up display, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.